Welcome to CELPIP Speaking Task 7, Expressing Opinions. In this task, you'll have the opportunity to share your thoughts on a specific topic or issue. Your goal is to present clear and well-structured arguments, backing them up with examples or evidence to strengthen your viewpoint. Remember, it's important to communicate your stance effectively, so take your time to organize your ideas and express them confidently. Let's get started. In this task, you'll be asked to express your opinion about a topic. The important thing to remember about Task 7 is that you must explain your reasons for your opinion. Now, let's examine an example for CELPIP Speaking Task 7. This will help us understand how to effectively express our opinions in this task. Do you think all college students should study abroad before taking their first job? Explain your reasoning. Task 7 will require you to share your thoughts on a specific topic. It's important to remember that in this task, you need to explain your viewpoint clearly. You should include specific details and examples to support your arguments in your explanation. For instance, simply stating, "Yes, I believe that college students should study abroad before starting their first job," is not enough. Instead, you might say, "Study abroad programs provide students with unique opportunities to learn foreign languages and immerse themselves in different cultures. This experience can broaden their perspectives and foster tolerance for diverse backgrounds." Additionally, you could mention that it allows them to visit places they've only read about, and they may acquire new skills that will be advantageous in their future careers. By doing this, you not only express your opinion, but also provide ample details to substantiate it. I encourage you to pause the video now and take a moment to create your own response to this question. Spend 30 seconds preparing and then use 90 seconds to deliver your answer. Make sure to time and record yourself during this exercise. This practice will not only enhance your speaking skills but also boost your confidence in expressing your opinions clearly and effectively. Now, we will listen to one response scored at level 11. As we listen, pay close attention to the content, structure, and language used by the speaker. After the recordings, we'll review the response together. We'll discuss what the speaker did well and identify specific areas for improvement. This will not only help you understand the criteria for a higher score, but also give you practical tips for your own responses. Now, let's listen to a response for Speaking Task 7 that has been scored at level 11. As you listen, focus on the advanced vocabulary, fluency, and the overall effectiveness of the response. This example will help you understand what a high-level response looks like. Let's begin.
I strongly advocate for the idea that all college students should, engage in a study abroad experience before starting their professional journeys. The rationale behind this is multifaceted, encompassing both personal and professional development. First and foremost, studying abroad immerses students in diverse cultures. This exposure cultivates not only cultural awareness, but also enhances critical soft skills like empathy and adaptability, which are indispensable in any workplace. Moreover, the challenges faced while living in a foreign country, like navigating new systems and forming social networks, serve to bolster resilience and problem-solving capabilities. These attributes often set candidates apart in, competitive job markets. Additionally, the opportunity to learn or improve a foreign language can't be overstated. In an era where globalization is prevalent, Bilingual or multilingual candidates are often preferred as they can effectively communicate in diverse settings. So, in summary, the benefits of studying abroad extend far beyond, like mere academic learning. It enriches students' lives, equips them with vital skills, and significantly enhances their employability. Therefore, I firmly believe that this experience should be an integral part of every college student's education.
Now, we'll evaluate the speaking level 11 response based on the CELPIP scoring criteria. Our focus will be on 4 key dimensions: content/coherence, vocabulary, listenability, and task fulfillment. The speaker presents their ideas in a well-organized manner, clearly outlining the benefits of studying abroad. Each point is logically connected, providing a compelling rationale. However, the response could benefit from more concise language, as the frequent use of fillers like and disrupts the flow and coherence of the argument. The vocabulary used is varied and appropriate for the topic, demonstrating a good command of language. Terms such as cultural awareness, empathy, and globalization effectively convey the message. However, the impact of this vocabulary is somewhat diminished by the fillers. Eliminating these would enhance the overall precision and effectiveness of the language. In terms of fluency, the speaker shows clear pronunciation and maintains a smooth rhythm, making it easy to follow their main points. However, the frequent use of fillers detracts from overall fluency, making the speech less engaging. Focusing on reducing these hesitations would significantly improve listenability. The response effectively addresses the prompt, presenting a complete and relevant argument. The tone is appropriate, and the length of the response is sufficient. Yet a more confident delivery with fewer hesitations would enhance the speaker's authority and engagement with the topic. In summary, this response is a strong effort that demonstrates a solid understanding of the topic. With some refinements in delivery and vocabulary precision, the speaker has the potential to achieve a higher rating. As we continue to practice, focusing on clarity and minimizing fillers will be key to improving overall performance in speaking tasks.